Hi, friends. Welcome back to Shorty Sews. I'm so glad you're here. In today's tutorial, we're continuing our beginner sewing box series with another fun and beginner-friendly project. Whether you're brand new to sewing or just looking for a quick project, you're in the right place. Grab your supplies, and let's get sewing. Today we're making project number 2 from the beginner sewing box, the headband. This is a quick and easy project that's perfect for practicing straight stitching while creating something fun and useful that you can wear or gift to a friend. Your headband kit includes one pre-cut piece of cotton fabric and an elastic strip. Let's get started. I like to pin the folded back end so that when I am stitching it stays in place. Pin one side along the long end. As you can see, the fabric is pre-marked so that it's easy to follow when stitching. Take the fabric to your sewing machine and sew along the long edge using a straight stitch. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and end of your seam to secure your stitches. Remove your pins as you get to them, do not sew over your pins. After you take the project off the sewing machine, make sure to snip your threads. Repeat by pinning along the long edge of the fabric. Pro tip: when pinning, make sure to pin through the marked seam line, and have the ball of the pin sticking out away from the fabric. This helps you remove your pins with ease, and it's less likely to poke yourself. We will now sew the other side of the headband. Starting at the top and follow along with the marked stitching line. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and end of your sewing. Once you've sewn the long seam, trim any loose threads. Remove the pins from the folded short ends. We will now trim back the excess seam allowance down to 1/4 inch. Take your time and make sure not to cut your stitching. Now it's time to turn the fabric tube right side out. You can use a safety pin, turning tool, or simply work the fabric through the tube until the pretty side is facing out. If you are using a safety pin as I did, make sure to remove it once the headband is turned out. Use your fingers or a turning tool to push out the seams from the inside of the headband. This will help make it lay flatter. You can iron it instead if you are able to use an iron. Please ask an adult for help before using an iron. Now take the elastic strip and insert one short end into the folded opening. Push the elastic in about 1 inch. Secure it with a pin so it doesn't move when you take it to the sewing machine. Take your project to the sewing machine and sew across the end to secure the elastic to the fabric. I like to sew over it 2 times by pushing the backstitch button until it goes back to the start of my stitching and sewing down again. Trim any loose threads. Repeat on the opposite side by inserting the other end of the elastic into the remaining opening. Pin the elastic down into the opening. Before sewing, make sure the fabric isn't twisted and that the headband lays flat. Sew across the second opening to secure the elastic and trim any loose threads. Tug on the elastic to make sure the stitches are secure and the elastic does not come out of the fabric piece. Congratulations! You've completed project number 2 from the beginner sewing box. This simple headband is a great project for building confidence with your sewing machine while creating something cute and practical. Thanks for sewing with me today. Next up, we'll be making the simple zipper pouch, project number 3 from the beginner sewing box. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Shorty Sews, and share it with a friend who wants to learn to sew. Thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep sewing. I'll see you in the next project.
Bye!